2 of the lemon herb and 2 of the Caribbean, please. This is the funniest thing. This squash was outside for a while and it got a tan. This is where the sticker was. Oh, okay, never mind. Ow. Oh, what? Yo, we can eat these. The seeds inside have been sprouting. You know how nutritious this is? That's awesome. Always. All the time. Yeah. Careful. I'm making spaghetti squash and beans. Oh, that's so good. I picked up some wild sockeye salmon. It's really important for me to use wild sockeye because anytime you see Atlantic or Alaskan, that is still farm-raised salmon, and farm-raised salmon is an issue of animal welfare in the sense that they outgrow their capacity to swim. In my head, at least I'm making some difference by choosing a more sustainable option for half my choices. So anyway, I've never tried the canned tuna, but I do know that I need to incorporate more protein into my diet, especially since I have been working out. So I have an idea for what I want to make for brunch today, but I've never made it before, so we'll see how it goes. One thing that always gets me about grocery shopping is the amount of plastic and waste. Am I supposed to include this? What's in here? Okay, so it's sockeye salmon, sea salt. That's it. That's all that's, you know what? Yeah, let's use the salt. There's a lot of benefits in that liquid, so might as well use it. It's really like a struggle, I guess, to be 100% sustainable, but I think every conscious effort matters. So I have my sticky rice. This was not intended to be sticky rice, but it turned out that way, and that's what gave me the idea to make this. I just wanted to show another variation of how I use the canned salmon. This one is with quinoa and some spices and the mayo, and honestly it's so good. So I'm taking this to work. And here is breakfast. I'm sorry, it's like my half-eaten food, but it's so good. I have like turkey, bacon, spinach, cream cheese, like herb and garlic cream cheese, tomato, so, and butter. So this is really good.